What if the very systems we build to escape our planet's confines are mirrored by the microscopic threats that seek to unravel us from within? Flight 13 has already proven the possible. Its test objectives met with astonishing accuracy. Now, Flight 14 prepares to ascend, to unfurl its purpose in the vastness, and then, in a controlled descent, to prove its resilience. This is more than a test, it's the bedrock for journeys yet unimagined. But the cosmos holds its breath for Flight 15. Orbital Refueling, a celestial ballet of cosmic tankers. One Starship, a silent sentinel, will orbit for up to 48 hours, a station in the void. Another will arrive, their paths converging across immense distances, synchronized by precise burns. The final approach, a breathtaking convergence at 28,000 km per hour, will be guided by Dragon Eye navigation, correcting minute deviations, errors measured in mere centimeters. The docking itself is a marvel of precision. Lines chilled, pressures meticulously controlled. The delicate transfer of oxygen and methane, tracked with every shift of the center of mass. The stack must remain stable, a precarious balance against the uncaring vacuum. Then, the disconnect, and the receiver Starship must prove its capability for deorbit burns, a skill tested by Ship 41's single-engine static fire. This relentless pursuit of reusability, a dream germinating over 2 decades ago, has been a protracted struggle. The successes are monumental. The Falcon 9's first booster return and landing in 2015 was a seismic event. Then came the Crew Dragon's Demo 2 mission in 2020. This wasn't just a flight, it was humanity's return to orbit via a commercially built and operated spacecraft from the United States, ending a 9-year drought. It fundamentally shifted human spaceflight into private hands. The echoes of this revolution are palpable in the preparations for these Starship endeavors. Meanwhile, on a different stage, a more terrestrial terror operates. Ebola. A microscopic force that corrupts the very cells meant to protect us. Inflammation becomes self-destruction. Internal bleeding. Organ failure. Mortality rates can reach 50%, even 90%. The Democratic Republic of Congo, already strained by conflict, becomes a breeding ground. Millions displaced into crowded camps, a perfect incubator for rapid transmission. Constant cross-border movement amplifies it. A shattered health system offers no defense. Vaccines exist for some strains, but survival demands constant, round-the-clock care. Containing even a single outbreak requires $518 million, a staggering cost for prevention. We reach for the stars with one hand, while battling the abyss with the other. The same precision that guides a starship through the void is needed to contain a microscopic enemy. The scale of our ambition seems to be matched only by the scale of our vulnerabilities.